Hey there, welcome to Diverse Perception. If you're new, please subscribe, share, like, and comment in order for me to know what you want me to do next or you've liked the video. Remember, that is the only way I get to hear from you. If you wouldn't mind, please do pause the video, do the necessities, and then continue. With that said, let's get on with it. This video is about the cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system. Now, it is important to know that the word cardiovascular is a derivative of certain words: cardio, meaning heart, vascular, meaning blood vessels, system, a group of things working together, or an organized coordination of components of a thing. Hence, cardiovascular system is a system of the body responsible for the transportation of oxygen and nutrients towards the body cells, and the drainage of metabolic waste and carbon dioxide from the body cells via the blood and the blood vessels. So at a basic level, there are three components making up the cardiovascular system, and these are the heart, which acts as a pump to circulate the blood, the blood vessels, which convey or transport blood from and to the heart, and the blood. Now, it is important to give a brief introduction of each components. Firstly, the heart. The heart is a muscular organ responsible to pump blood all around the body. The heart has got certain components: heart chambers, the valves, major vessels, the heart valve, the conduction system, blood supply and drainage. The heart chambers are four in number. Two upper chambers are called the atria, and based on their location, these are the left atrium, right atrium, because atrium is singular, and atria is plural. Two lower chambers are called the ventricles, left ventricle and right ventricle. The heart valves are divided into two sorts: the atrioventricular valves, which are the mitral valve on the left side and the tricuspid valve on the right side, and the semilunar valves, where the pulmonary valves are on the right side and the aortic valve on the left side. The major vessels are superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary veins, and the aorta. The heart wall consists of three layers: the epicardium, the myocardium, and the endocardium, arranged from exterior to interior, that is, from outward to inward. It would be very important to know that these components are the ones responsible for the mechanical events of the heart: systole, meaning contraction; diastole, meaning relaxation. And these are described better in the cardiac cycle. We'll look at that later. The next component is the conduction system of a heart. The conduction system of a heart consists of the electrical events of a heart. So the electrical events of a heart coordinate and bring up about the mechanical events, contraction and relaxation. The conduction system of a heart consists of the RC node, the sinoatrial node, the atrioventricular node, the AV node, and the band of His and Purkinje fibers. Now, the blood supply and drainage is the last component. This mainly consists of the coronary supply and the coronary drainage. So the coronary artery supply and the coronary veins drain the heart. Respectively, the next components of the cardiovascular system are the blood vessels, which are an organized closed network of tubes. There are certain types of blood vessels: the arteries, the capillaries, and the veins. The arteries carry blood away from the heart, veins towards the heart, and the capillaries join the arteries and the vein in between, anastomose with the arteries and the veins, and also connect the body tissues. Remember, so all these also work as a system. Then the next component that we looked at of the cardiovascular system is the blood. Now, it is important to know that the blood consists of two components: the blood cells and the plasma. The plasma is the fluid portion of the blood. Then the blood cells that consist the blood include the erythrocytes, the red blood cells, the leukocytes, the white blood cells, the thrombocytes, which are the platelets. Now, separate videos will be made in order to analyze all these in details. For now, let's stick to the introduction. Until next time, see you guys.